Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning everybody. How are you today? Okay, I am pretty good, thank you. Okay, before we start the activity today, now please one of you please lead the prayer first. Who will lead the prayer? Siapa yang mau mimpin? Yes, please, silakan dipimpin berdoa.
Get ready. Let's pray together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, thank you. Okay, now I would like to check your attendance list first. Who is absent today? Agnina. Why is he Agnina? Oh, getting sick. Okay. Okay, today we are going to discuss more about the expression of intention. Apa itu ungkapan intention? Nanti akan kita bahas hari ini. Now, let's see the learning of objective atau tujuan pembelajaran yang akan kita capai pada kegiatan pembelajaran hari ini. Okay, doing the activity today, we are going to try to catch the function, menerapkan fungsi, kemudian struktur teks, dan juga unsur bahasa terkait dengan ungkapan intention atau niat melakukan sesuatu. Yang kedua, nanti kalian juga diharapkan melalui kegiatan hari ini dengan diskusi kelompok, kalian bisa menyusun dan mempresentasikan atau mendemonstrasikan percakapan sederhana tentang expression of intention. Okay, but before that, when we talk about intention, what is the important one? Apa pentingnya kita mempelajari sebuah expression of intention? Jadi kalau kita ngomongin niat, what is the important one? Apa yang menjadi hal yang penting? Kenapa kita harus mempelajarinya? Ya, one of them, when we are going to talk about our planning, ya, maybe Rizky, next weekend you have a plan. Kamu punya rencana pengen pergi kemana misalnya Mas Rizky? Ke pantai misalnya. Oke. This is the planning ya. Itu adalah rencana. Maka we can use this expression. Kita bisa menggunakan expression of intention. Jadi untuk menyampaikan sebuah planning atau rencana, kita perlu memahami tentang expression of intention. Okay, good. Now, before we start the activity or discussion, I will give you a pre-test. Now you can read the following text and then you can answer the question correctly. I will give you 5 minutes from now. Now, please, you can prepare your book and your pen. And the time is begin from now, please. Read carefully ya, jadi dibaca dengan teliti, dengan cermat, kemudian jawablah pertanyaan itu sesuai dengan teksnya. Now, please watch this video carefully, then pay attention on the structure, function, and then language feature used in video. And also, you can focus on identify the information that provided by the video. Yeah.
This long weekend?
Definitely. My dad and I are going to go fishing. We plan to go fishing in a lake near my uncle's house.
Question: what is the video tell you about? Who will answer? Yes, please, Ibrahim. Okay, good job. Yeah. The video tell us about the planning for long weekend. Yeah. Okay, now after we know about the function, structure, and others about intention, kita sudah tahu beberapa hal ya tentang fungsinya, kemudian strukturnya, dan ada kata kerja di sana. Now we are going to have a discussion session. I will divide all of you into 3 groups. The group will be this one. Group 1 will be Citra. Where are you, Citra? Okay. Anissa, Binar, and Raihan. Ya. The group 1 will be here. Nanti di sebelah. Okay, now I give you time to move to your group, please. Okay, before we start the discussion session, I will give you a LKPD for each group, and you have to discuss with your friend, with your group, how to finish the LKPD. Ya, silakan nanti berdiskusi, and you can use your dictionary and then your book, ya, to finish the LKPD. Don't forget to write down your identity first. Jangan lupa tuliskan nama anggotanya dan kelasnya. Okay, for group 1. Okay, then group 2 and group 3. Okay, before we start the discussion, I will explain to you how to do the LKPD. Ya, saya akan jelaskan dulu. Pay attention. First, you have to do is write your identity. Now, okay, if you don't have any question, before we start the discussion session, let's start by saying basmalah together, please. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, please, you can do. Group 2, do you have any difficulties? Be going to, ya. Task 2, you have to decided use will or be going to. Be, it's mean to be, ya. Be itu maksudnya to be. Kalau sudah ada to be itu apa saja? Is, am, and are. Ya. If in the sentence is consists of is, am, are, so you should not put the be. Nah, jadi kalau sudah ada is, am, are-nya berarti tidak perlu tuliskan. So you have to try to directly going to or will, ya. Yeah, which one? Undergraduate. Yeah, please. You can search in your dictionary first. If you can find, you can ask me, ya. Kalau nggak ketemu baru tanya saya. Oke, silakan. What are they talking about? So it means that from the dialogue, dari dialog itu, you can find the main idea or topic, ya. So the question, what are they talking about? Yeah, you can answer by the topic used in dialogue. Kamu bisa menjawabnya dengan topiknya apa yang dibahas di sana. Okay, now please discuss with your friend. Kira-kira apa yang sesuai? Okay, now we are going to have a presentation session. I will ask some of your group to make a presentation about your result of your discussion. What you have discussed with your friend will be presented in front of the class. Yeah. Okay, please. Who will be the volunteer? Group 1, Group 2, or Group 3, please? Okay, Group 3. And for the other group, you just pay attention the presentation, and then you can give the comment, give suggestion or advices, yeah. Okay, Group C, have you ready? Okay, if you have ready, you can start by now. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, before the third group back to the seat, I will ask some of you to give a comment, a suggestion or advices to this group. Who will give suggestion, please? Yes.
I think the cooking is good. We love you.
Okay, good. The presentation is good enough ya. According to group 1 sudah cukup baik. Be loudly, cuman perlu di lebih keras lagi ya. So all your friend in the back and in the front, you have clear hear your voice. Now please give big applause to this group first. This is applause. Thank you for the third group, and you can move to your seat again, please. According to group 3, you sing will or going to? Group 3, number 1, this one? Going to. How about the other group? Going to or use will? Yang kelompok lain masih menggunakan will atau juga sama dengan kelompok 3? Sama, okay, good. I have one of game. Yeah, I have a game. Now please you can pay attention to me. When I say one clap hand, you just do this. Ya, one clap hand atau tepuk satu ya. One clap hand, you just ya. If I say two clap hand, you just do. Okay. One clap hands. One clap hands. One clap hands. Three clap hands. Two clap hands. Four clap hands. One clap hands. One clap hands. Four clap hands. Two clap hands. Three clap hands. Okay, please give big applause to us, everybody. Okay, yeah. Before we close the meeting, that I have said, we have to make a reflection first. But what we have done today, by answering the question. Now, if you want to say something about this question, please you can raise your hand. Then you can say anything about activity today. Okay, first, number 1, what you have learned today. Apa yang sebenarnya sudah kalian pelajari hari ini? Who will answer this question, please? Ibrahim, ya. Social function, structure. Okay, thank you. And the last question, what will you improve about this material? Kira-kira kalau setelah mempelajari tadi, what will you improve? Apa yang perlu kamu tingkatkan lagi? Who will answer? Yes, please, Anissa. Ya, try to make another example of dialogue ya, karena kalau menyusun teks itu memang susah, tapi kalau dicoba dimulai dari bersama-sama, it could be more and easier ya. Now I will give you a post test. Please you can finish the question, 5 question, only 5 question. Please do in 5 minutes. Student, before we close this meeting or this activity, next meeting insyaAllah we are going to have a daily examination atau ulangan yang ketiga. Please you can prepare yourself. You can learn and read your book. Yeah, any information about expression of intention. Please one of you to lead the prayer for closing session. Silakan dipimpin berdoa yang satu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you and the last word. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam.